Caroline over here at Premiere Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a HIIT workout, just using our body weight, so you won't need any weights. I have a box and a mat. We have 9 exercises. Everything is going to be done for 30 seconds and then 10 seconds rest in between. So our first exercise, we're going to be doing jumping jacks. I'll step off the mat again for 30 seconds. Here we go. $15 more seconds. Good job. $5 seconds. Good. 10 seconds. We're going to be doing push-ups. I'm going to do modified push-ups. So 30 seconds. Here we go. $15 more seconds. Good job, keep going. 3, 2, 1. Good. We're going to flip around and do crunches. 3 more seconds of rest. Here we go. Good. All right, next, step ups on the box. 30 seconds, here we go. $15 more seconds. Good. All right. Air squats. 3, 2, 1. Make sure when we're doing these workouts that you are warming up before and cooling down after. I do my warm up and cool down off camera, so I am also doing those, but just a quick reminder for that. 8 more seconds. 2 and 1. All right. Next, we're going to be doing dips. You can use your box. Here we go. If you don't have a box, you can use a chair. 10 more seconds. Good. All right, 10 seconds of rest. Running in place, here we go. Five seconds. Good. All right, 2 more exercises. We're gonna do a plank. Here we go. Good job, 15 more seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Good. Lastly, we're going to do lunges. Here we go. Fifteen more seconds. 5. Good. All right. So this was your HIIT body weight workout. Again, HIIT is high intensity interval training. So for this, you're getting your heart rate up quickly. So you can do this 2 to 3 times in total. Again, just follow back through. And once again, make sure you are warming up and cooling down after your workouts. Thank you for joining us.